World Literacy Day or International Literacy Day. On 8th September, every year the world celebrates International Literacy Day. It is celebrated with different theme every year. Many people in the world don't get educated. This day makes people aware of the importance of education. Literacy means to be able to read and write. Lack of economic means awareness and consciousness are main causes of illiteracy in world. The main cause to celebrate of this day is focusing on the talented children. Literacy is a way to enhance the lives of people. UNESCO seeks the help of NGOs and government to increase literacy level. Literacy is the fertilizer needed for development and democracy to take root and grow.